Hey everyone, and welcome to Isms by Josie. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing with Born Pretty. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much for tuning in. And for my new viewers, please consider subscribing, share, hit that like button, leave a comment below, and click on that notification bell for future videos. So today, you guys, I have received this package from Born Pretty, and in this contains 6 bottles of some really special and beautiful delights, and we are going to go check them out. Here is the set packaging, and this is what you can actually get on Amazon. I will leave a link for that in the description box below. I'm not too sure if you can use my discount code on there, but I'll leave that as well. If it doesn't work for Amazon, try to check this out on their website. There for sure you can use my discount on this. So let's get into this box. It's the typical set box that you get when you purchase kits that are in groups of 6. For this particular box, when you go on the Amazon website, there are different options that you can get. So this, my friends, is I thought when I did this is actually a re-unboxing from the live I did Friday. I thought it was fall colors, but this is actually rainbow colors. So this is going to be very cool for someone that's looking to have some jelly gel polishes in different colors. And that's exactly what I wanted, because I do have jellies from Born Pretty. They're just more pinks and nudes, and I really wanted to spread out and see if I can get a collection of colors that fall on a rainbow, and this is exactly what I got. So let us just open this box. You have a little manual here that talks a little bit about application, removal, all that jazz. There's even different other gels that you can use with them, which is like the magnet gels, or cat's eye gels as they call them. So, and then there's some notes and Q&A that could be helpful to anyone that is a beginner in the gel nail polish realm. Okay, so let's break into these, you guys. So let's start here. We have 01, and this is part of the Amber Glow Milky Jelly collection. And again, there's, I don't know how many sets of 6, but there's different themes of 6, so you don't have to necessarily get these. So I highly recommend checking out the link in the description box and see what kind of collections they have. So this one is kind of like a red color. Now we did do swatching on these already, so I will be putting on my swatch tabs on these bottles. Actually, I normally peel these off. Let me see. Alright, well, I normally peel off the labels. I don't want to take too much time up in this video because I am going to be doing a nail design. I normally do separate videos with this, but I am posting a lot of content for you guys this week. So we're going to smush this all into one video. But here is the swatch for 01 from the Amber Milky the Amber Glow Milky Jelly collection. Very cute. Okay. Next color we have here is 02. And this is what it's looking like. Another kind of reddish color. It's very dark when you look at it, but you have to swatch it because it will come on transparent, which will lighten up the color. So here on my little swatch stick, I do have the red color here. This is more of a deep red than the regular red that we have. Next we have 03. And this one is more orangey than the other 2 reds we have. But again, to get a true color, you want to swatch it. So here is the color that is in this bottle. Next color, oh, go a little nuts, 04. Okay, this one's lighter than the last three. And here is the swatch for this. Okay. So we're looking more at a yellow than an orange. Again, the swatch will be lighter than the gel polish because they are jelly gels. Next one is 05. This one, of course, is my favorite. It has a nice green color. And here is the swatch for that. Very pretty. Last but not least, we have 06. This is a very dark gel polish, but again, it's going to come off a lot lighter than what it looks like. And here is the bluish color. This reminds me of sea glass. Now, let me also remind you that although this is available on Amazon, which means I think I never purchased them from Amazon, but I can imagine if it's available with Prime, it'll come a lot faster than if you were to buy on their website. But if you want any of these colors individually, and it's not available on Amazon, you can always go ahead and check the Born Pretty website. There they sell loose or individual gel polishes that you might find in sets, so that's definitely something to check out. But here are the swatches, you guys. Again, I normally will take an X-Acto knife and peel away the labels, put them on the side of the cap, and then I'll put the swatch on top of it so that you get kind of a better understanding of what these colors will look like. Or you can always get your swatches on a ring and keep them that way. I just like these are just more convenient for me. But anyway, we are going to do a set, so let's segue into that. Okay, so for today's design, I was thinking about doing a stained glass design. So I'm going to be using all these colors to create that today. I'm putting down some 06. We have some 05. It's the green color. The 06 was like the bluish color. I'm needing to put dabs of this onto my palette so that I can grab that with my brush. 04, it's a good way to not mix up your polishes from the bottle, because I'm going to be doing somewhat kind of an art type of thing, and I don't want to contaminate my bottles. 04 was the yellow, 03 is the orange. I feel like there should have been a purple somewhere here. So you can just mix colors if you'd like, but you know, that's some extra work. So 02 was like the lighter red. And then of course the last one, 01, is the deeper red. So for these stained glass designs, I'm going to be pulling out a bottle of Born Pretty's watercolor gel. It's their equivalent to blooming gel if you've used it before, and we're going to apply a good amount of layer on this onto each nail. And I'm going to use a multi-use brush to apply the colors. So when we talk about stained glass, you might have like the segmental stained glass that each segment is a different color. Or you can have segments that have an array of colors just cut to shape. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. Because we have different colors here that are not going to be come out to like a particular picture. I wanted them to be kind of mixed into each other, and then I'll create the pictures on top. So I am using blooming gel for each nail, like I said, and then I'm going to randomly spray out some of the different colors on here. Make sure that we have a dab of each. And I am going to go back in and kind of mix that in a little bit, muddy up the lines, but I'm allowing the blooming gel to do its work. Because these are jelly gels, they're already being activated and spread out. I feel like the less pigment, the easier the blooming gel is able to react. That also goes for the more liquidy your gel, the easier it is for it to spread out in the blooming gel, or in this case, watercolor gel. So that's basically going to be, this is going to be a simple design, you guys. It's not going to be a complicated one to where you cannot replicate this. And it leaves opportunity to do many different kinds of designs for you, because the stained glass is the base. And then you just put on top whatever design you want it to be. So I'm going to grab my fine detail brush. I want to say this is maybe 6mm or maybe 3mm. I'm not too sure what size this. I think it's a 6mm, sorry. 6mm detail brush. And I'm just marbling up the lines. I'm swooshing it to create some swirls between the colors so that I'm muddying up the lines, and the blooming gel is still activated and still furring out those lines. So as you can imagine, I am putting this on my nail stand. I'm not curing it yet. I will cure it at the end of each nail being having their lines blurred out. So now I'm going to put on top coat. I didn't show the stickers or the stamping because it was not part of Born Pretty, but it just goes to show that you can do any other design on these nails and create something really cute. So I have stained glass stickers from another company, as well as a stamping plate from another company, and I'm applying the Born Pretty top coat on this. So it's easy peasy as that. No drawing needed or necessary. So here I have applied the press-on nails to my own nails, and you can see how pretty it is. The backdrop just gives it a really nice background, and it's jelly, so you get that light shining through. It's really pretty, but comment below, let me know what you think. Again, I have my affiliate code in the description box below. Thank you so much, you guys. This is IsmsbyJBM. Please share, like, and subscribe for future videos, and I'll see you again next time.